excited. I'm excited today. Why am I so excited? Why do I have this smile on my face? Version 6, Blue Crush version 6. All right, we're gonna try it out right now and find out what it's all about. Similar formula to Formula 4, version 4, and but it's a little tweaked, right, for some hard water conditions. You know, it kind of creates more suds for those people. And it went back to the same smell that I had before, which is that original blueberry scent. So I'm excited to try this out. So put 2 ounces in the foam cannon and let's get right to work. Woo! All right, so we put 1 ounce in the bucket and now we're gonna put 2 ounces in the foam cannon, the Talking with Cars foam cannon. And we're gonna go see, let's fill this up, 900 milliliters of water. So we're at 900. We're gonna put 2 ounces of the new soap in. All right, perfect consistency, right? Most of it gets out of the bottle or the measuring cup. Perfect color, perfect tone of blue. I'm gonna mix this up. I think we're ready to go. Let's try it out. And just so you know, the pH of this is still at 9.5 in the bottle. Neat. And then when you dilute it, the 2 ounces in the foam cannon, you're at 8.5, somewhere around there. So definitely pH balance, no question about it. So you don't have to worry about anything there. So even water at this point, you can buy water that's a 9.5 on the pH scale and drink it. So that's nothing you have to be concerned with. It's the chemicals in it and how it works on your car. That's the important part. All right, that was 1 ounce in the bucket, 2 ounces in this cannon. Oh my God. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Is that like perfection? Perfect. Perfect. The smell's perfect. The foam is perfect. It's sticking on there nice. Look at it stick. All right, let's do the rest of the car, let it dwell a little bit, and I'll fast forward this for you. Look at how much I have left. Rinse off is easy, real easy, as you can tell. I don't know if I even need to do a contact wash. I'm gonna do a quick one though. Contact wash is incredible. Super foamy, super slick. It's doing the job. I just noticed as I was cleaning up, it actually cleaned the grit guard. I mean, the grit guard that's in here is clean. I mean, I'm looking at this in the light, and the little bit of dirt that I had on the grit guard is gone. So it actually did a good job of cleaning that off. Unreal. Great job. All right, version 6. Talking with Cars Blue Crush. First round, maintenance wash, perfection. Did an excellent job. Didn't even need 2 ounces. Could have had the 1.5, 1.7 ounces in there. Would have done just fine. So actually, next time I use this, I'm going to use 1.5 ounces, 1.7 ounces, which is what it's designed to do. And I'm going to use that on the car and see how it foams up. But the next challenge is to bring this to a really dirty car, a gringy car, a truck, something that's been used for the workforce, right? And see how well it cleans that. That's what I'm going to do next, right? Because I really want to test out its muscles. I want to try this on something that's very dirty, not just a garage kept clean. I want to like actually, for maintenance washes, that's perfect. This thing works perfectly well, right? pH balanced, smooth, slick, foams up really nice, rinses off real easy, is inexpensive. Now to the real challenge. Let's go to a dirty car and let's try it out.